Hi, Brenda with the Hospice Care Plan, talking about breathing. So, breathing changes are normal and expected at end of life, especially as we get closer to end of life. And it's if you've ever had that, like, I can't catch my breath, it's distressing. And the body's response when we can't breathe is to become very anxious. And so, the goal is always to quickly relieve breathing and to help prevent breathing issues, and recognizing it is one. And if somebody is talking about their breathing, trust that they're, if you have to think about your breathing, you're having some breathing issues. Watching somebody, if they're labored in their breathing, if they're breathing more than, say, 20 breaths per minute, count them out, is probably working a little bit too hard. And so there's lots of interventions we can do. I think the first one is calming oneself, getting in a position. We know that elbows out, leaning over a table increases the lungs space. It's easier to breathe. So oftentimes we have to address breathing with medication. That's often an opioid. That's the quickest bang for our buck to get quick relief of breathing. And then sometimes scheduling that opioid in the hopes of preventing breathing issues. When we're having a breathing crisis, like I said, you become very anxious very quickly. So sometimes we treat anxiety as well as the breathing difficulty itself. And we never really look at the number, the oxygen number, that which most people have that now, and they can see what that number is. That's not important as much as how are they breathing. So try not to look at the number. Look at the patient, ask the patient, and really address breathing issues. The hospice is going to be excellent at helping you do this very quickly. They'll write personalized instructions for you. If it's after hours, breathing issues is something you really want to call hospice about. So if you have any questions or comments, please put those in our YouTube site and we'll get back to you. And you can go to our website, thehospicecareplan.com, to get a copy of our hospice booklet. Thank you.